Hello guys, welcome back to your channel OSR Tech. Hello guys, how are you? Today I got my parcel of Buds Life, so I'll be unboxing. Let's start. And Buds Life is from Samsung wireless earbuds, which is very famous in the way of its unique design. So I ordered this with a different color, that is red. We have different colors like mystic bronze, white, black, red and blue. So I ordered red. Somehow I felt it is a very unique color. Here is the packet, so let's open it. I'm excited to see how it is. It will sound with my Note 10 Plus. So yeah, okay, here it is. Wow, it's already looking awesome. Here is Samsung e-warranty. I have to register. Seal is not broken, which is a good thing. Here are some features mentioned in the back of the box. Ergonomic design, 6 to 12 hours of playtime, triple mic, active noise cancellation, and Bluetooth powered by AKG. Device IMEI information. Samsung logo on the top and Buds Life. So let's open it. And here it comes out of the box. Mystic red Buds Life. Okay, let's keep aside. Let's see what is there in the box. I think this will be the usual stuff which we normally ignore. There is a barcode here. So as I said, warranty card, user manual, usual stuff. So let's keep this aside. And here is the Buds Live itself. Wow, it looks good. Nice cherry red. I like this color. Okay, let us see it later. What else in the box? Okay, this small box I think should have the charging cable and the extra wingtips. Yes, here is the charging cable, that is USB-C to USB, and yeah, extra wings for those who are having bigger ears. Let me keep aside. This Buds Live comes with active noise cancellation, wireless charging case. This case is actually supports wireless charging, It's IPX2 water resistance. Okay, these are the Buds Life. It looks really awesome. This is the right earbud. It exactly is shaped as bean. I think it should fit the ear perfectly. Yeah, the magnetic stuff which keeps the buds live in the box. It doesn't fall accidentally. It's powerful. So let's now connect and see how it looks and how it works. So here is our Buds Live Mystic Red. Okay, as soon as you open the box, you can see the graphic activated on your screen. It's nice. Okay, the red color graphic which appears automatically, and click on connect. This is only for the first time. Later it will show what is the battery percentage of your buds and the case separately. And later, every time you open the box, you can see the graphics. No need to connect, it will connect automatically. You'll see the case percentage and buds percentage separate. And we have the wearable app which gives you all the details and settings options. So just manage the settings whatever you like according to your taste, and there we go. If you found this video useful, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Very soon we will come back with a new video. Till then, take care and be safe.